Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're diving into Microsoft Outlook for 2025 and wondering how to access your notes, you're in the right spot. Notes are a fantastic feature for jotting down quick ideas, reminders, or to-do lists right within your email app. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to view your notes effortlessly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Outlook 2025 installed on your device. If you haven't updated yet, head over to the Microsoft Store or download it from the official website. Once it's open, you'll see the main interface with your inbox, calendar, and other tabs. Look for the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. It's that vertical menu that helps you switch between features. Now, click on the Notes icon or folder. In the 2025 version, Microsoft has made this even easier with a refreshed design. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the folder list by clicking the small arrow next to it. Once you're in the Notes section, you'll see a list of all your existing notes. Each one might show a preview, like the title or the first few lines, depending on your settings. To view a specific note, just double-click on it, and it will open in a new window. Here, you can read the full content, edit it if needed, or even add attachments, thanks to the new enhancements in 2025. If you're new to Notes, you can create one by clicking the New Note button at the top. Pro tip: use the search bar to quickly find notes by keywords. It's a game changer for staying organized. One cool update in Outlook 2025 is the integration with AI, which can suggest tags or reminders based on your notes content. This makes viewing and managing notes faster than ever. Remember, syncing across devices is seamless, so your notes will appear on your phone, tablet, or computer. There you have it. Viewing notes in Outlook 2025 is straightforward and super helpful for productivity. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay efficient, and I'll catch you in the next video.